Hi everybody, this is just a short video to show you how to make your own version of a Google Doc if you want to edit it and type within it. So two main ways. To make your own version, you need to be signed into Google Docs or to Google if you have a Google account. So over here you can see I'm signed into my own personal account. With that, I can just go to File and click Make a Copy. And that will let me change it. So I'm going to pretend my name is Zara, and I'm typing that. Let's see, Zara copy of week 10. And now I have my own version of it, where I can go in. I'm the owner of it, and I can go in and make changes to it. So I can type in this one. When I go to submit it as the assignment, you just go to Share and change to anyone with the link, and you'll have the link to share it back with me. The other way you could do it is you can go to File and download it. So if you like to work in Word, or if you like to work in something like Word, you can open it, you can download it in one of these formats. Don't download it as a PDF because you won't be able to edit it. So if you download it in Word, you'll just have to re-upload it to Canvas as your submission. Okay?